Hey everyone. All right, so welcome to day 2 of my video challenge. Day 3, because it's January 3rd. I did like 2 videos to catch up because I want my numbers to align. So today is my day 3 video. And today for my video challenge, I have like a whole calendar that I was going to follow, but I ended up seeing this post that kind of said something to me. So part of my videos are going to be how my corporate life can help some small business owners, and some things I noticed. So one thing that I noticed, because this week in my corporate job, we're getting ready for the Q4 estimates. And so we're sending the clients like what they should be paying and, going through their Q4 to see if they were on track and what that makes their estimate. And so one particular client that we did yesterday, their payment is going to be over $1 million for their Q4 estimate. And it's because Q4, they had something it wasn't budgeted for. They had an extraordinary. So instead of their Q4 it was supposed to be about like 3 million, they hit almost 10 million in Q4. So we sent them the projections and all that stuff. And simply the reply was, got it, thanks, to pay over $1 million in their estimated taxes. And we were ready for the pushback to let them know what changed. So we're going to have to explain to them, yada, yada. But there was no pushback. Basically, that client knew that they went from 4 million to 10 million in one quarter. They knew that meant that they are going to have additional taxes to pay. And they welcomed it. I don't know if they welcomed it, but they were okay with it. And this is something that I think could help you small business owners out there, because so many times we pride ourselves on reducing your tax liability. That's what we want to do. We are savvy at solving your tax issues. We want to make sure that you can pay legally the least amount of taxes that you have to pay, but you still have to understand that taxes are going to be paid. If you have a stellar year and make $10 million, you're going to have a tax bill, because that's not something that was planned for. So there weren't a lot of strategies that you could have put in place if you weren't expecting that bill. And we're in January, so the year has closed. So it's what it is. That's going to be what happens. So now we can start planning for 2025 and how we can reduce their tax liability. But there was no pushback on that email that told them they have to pay over $1 million with their estimated tax payment in a few days, because they knew when they sent us their year to date up until the end of the year, there was $10 million there that they didn't plan for, but they were grateful for. And so I want you guys to understand, as small business owners, I understand that you don't want to pay taxes, because we don't want you to pay more than you need to. But you do have to understand that if you have a successful business that's making money, you're going to be paying taxes. And so that brought me to a post that it was this guy telling you, basically walking you through where your kind of not pressure points, but where your body is telling you that it has trauma or something. And so he said to record yourself saying this, and then listen to yourself and see where your voice is wavering and what you should be doing to work out. So what you're going to say to yourself is, I am safe to be powerful. I am safe to be visible. I am safe to be rich. I am safe to raise my prices, and I'm safe to lead at the highest level. And when you replay that back to yourself, do you hear your voice wavering? Is that something that you need to work on? So I just wanted to share that. So that's my video day 2. It was not following my calendar, so I will get back on track tomorrow, but hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.